Ever opened a Word document on your phone and thought, wait, where's the page number button? Relax. Adding page numbers on Word Mobile is way easier than you think. Let me show you. First, open your document using the Word Mobile app. Once it's open, tap Print Layout at the top so everything looks like a real document. Next, tap the little triangle arrow in the bottom right corner to open all the menus. By default, you'll be in the Home tab, but don't stay there. Switch it to Insert. Now scroll a bit and find Page Number. Tap it and choose where you want the page number to appear. For example, I usually pick bottom center, clean and simple. You can also customize it. Want normal numbers, Roman numerals, or even letters? Just change the number format. And if you want it to look more professional, enable Include Page Count, so it shows something like page 1 of 10. And that's it, done. Your document now has page numbers, straight from your phone. See, no laptop needed. If this saved you some time, don't forget to like and follow for more quick mobile tips like this.